Hello there! Wow. Welcome to the Little G of Vegas. Wow. How is everybody? We are going to my aunt today for a birthday party. Party na sad mi guys, as in. Wala namin kung ano sa party ba. Wala namin diet ani. Sana. Anyway, yeah, I'm off and she's off, my cousin. Are you familiar with her?
Hey.
Wow. Cool ba kay hair? What kind of look is that?
Elizabeth Taylor. Hey.
Elizabeth Taylor daw siya, as in. Grabe siya.
It's aging. Grabe.
Tanawa ra good guys ko, na-traffic ni. Tanawa sa na-traffic ni oh. Traffic ni. Pero okay ra kay gwapa ang driver.
Wow.
Gwapa ang driver.
Shout out to Jan. You like my outfit? Hello.
Hi Jan, to my sister-in-laws, Jan, Ate Lynn, Verna, who else? Did I miss somebody? Si Jean, Ate Amy pala, Ate Amy from Davao, and Jean as well, the wife of my brother. Hi everyone. Ayo tanan sa the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro.
The city.
The CDO. Maglaag-laag na sa karon guys. Bitaw guys, adto mi sa birthday sa sister ko my mom. Kay birthday sa mo ang uncle sa tiil ba? Joker man oy. But anyway, yes, we are going to my aunt. Anak lang guys. Lingaw lang good guys, kay walay laing lingaw. Kamo, asa naman ko karon? Gibutang ni Lord.
Wow. Who good
Dito, I bet that back home in the Philippines, people are working now or doing their errands. As for us, like I said, we're going to the birthday of my uncle, my tito, and then my aunt just texts us. She said okay, because we said we're going at 5, and what time is it right now? It's almost 6 a.m.
6. Oh, shout out to our uncle.
Yeah.
Tito Ruben, happy birthday.
Yeah, shout out to our uncle.
Shit.
Happy birthday to. Happy birthday to Mama Chuk Chuk.
And Tita Ganda. Hello.
And Tita Ganda. And hi also to all the Filipinos in the world, especially here in Las Vegas. Our kababayans, mga Pinoy diha, mga kabisdakan diha tanan. Hello sa inyong tanan dira, mga Bisaya gid kaming dako, grabe gyud. Pero mga bisdak mi, pero mga gwapa. Sa amo ra pong naaysa, i-clear lang nako. Mga gwapa mi, pero sa amo rang sa amo raming ice gwapa. Oh, kani bisdak kani siya. Pero pito tinuod bitaw, sa amo lang ice, for our eyes only, we are pretty. But for everybody who's watching their this vlog, na nasa inyo ha kung gwapahan mo, kung mo-agree mo. Pero kung mo-agree mo, friends good ta. Oh, di ba? Wow. At saan may mga ganap na mo guys? Ay init pagyapon kay. Well, no, in the morning, it's not that hot anymore. It's starting to cool off. We're getting ready now for for fall. Pero I asked my husband the other day on my other vlog, he said that this season right now is autumn. Shit. Wow. Autumn. Naay may autumn diri guys. Di na unsa man?
Is that autumn or anthem?
Autumn. Shit. Social. Autumn in New York. No, today is autumn in Vegas.
Autumn and fall.
Bitaw guys, wait, tanawa ra guys. So diya trabaho si ate guys. So diya. Wow. Ni agi ra mi siyang trabahoan guys. Loob nanguwa mig tubig libre. Libre ko niyag tubig guys kay birthday na ako atong naging adlaw. Yung regalo kay tubig. Di ba social? But anyway, thank you so much for my cousin for giving me a birthday party. Wow. It's not really like a big party, but it was a celebration of my birthday with close friends.
Wow, simple but with love.
Yes. Simple but with love. Shit, Korean heart. Loy kaya kung bana guys kay wala ni uban kay kuan man siya kanang ingon ko ay lang pagkuyog kay panginabuhi lang ako lang sa ang mag-absent. Pwede ra, no? Pwede ra sad no kay pangkabuhayan showcase. Aya ang
Wow.
maglaglaag kay no, wala magngangag yun ni.
Grabe yun.
Pero sige lang kay naaman siya itugo. Di ba?
Go
Unsa
to
pa
the
man
mountains.
among mga kuan guys, mura good oy, share lang nako kani siya guys, mo na siya ng South Point diri sa Las Vegas. One of the local casinos. Papo na siya din sa sulod guys. Pwede ka magbingo din ha, mga unsa-unsa pa. Nami karon diri sa may Silverado. Tawa guys, okay, kuan naman ka ng peak time nating pauli na sa mga trabahante diri sa kuan Amerika, o di ba? So, kuan na, ano na sila? Tawag ani ka ng mamuli na sila.
Medyo traffic.
Medyo traffic na siya. Pero okay naman, manageable naman. Nara sa point kayo sa tara.
After
Ako kayo siya guys.
hours.
Diba guys? Dahil mag-adto rin mi dito guys. O katong dalan dito pa. Dolong. Dara o. Ano o.
Blue Diamond.
We're heading to Blue Diamond. So guys, unsa pa man atong kuan. Mura siguro ni ako masturya karon guys. Ako lang gi-share sa inyo ha kung asa may paingon. Then I will see you again on my next vlog. Thank you again for watching. Thank you so much for all my subscribers, for my family, my friends. Kung dili pa nako friend nga kuan lang nag-support lang sa akong vlog.
Share.
Thank you so much.
Thumbs up,
Yeah.
like, and share.
So, this is Little G of Vegas again, creating memories with you guys. Bye guys. Thank you.